Okay, so I have my Instagram account verified with the subscription. So it says that I can now add links. So let's have a little look at how you do that. So you go to your Instagram account and you go to edit profile. Then you go to the links option. As you can see on here, it also says that you can now add images to your links. So I'm going to just go to my main link option. And as you can see, you've got a plus, you've got the link, and you've got a title. Okay, so we're going to do the image first. So press the plus button and it's going to open up your camera roll. I already got a picture there that is profile size, so square. And then I'm just going to put in here, click for website. And then I'm going to turn this toggle on so that this is shown as the primary link. Press done and it will upload that picture to your account. So let's go back. As you can see, it's there. So let's go back, refresh the page, and then let's click links. And there is the link. Click for website, visit website. Very snazzy. And there's my link tree. Now, obviously, with the introduction of this from Instagram, you may not need to do third-party apps to add your links in now. But for the sake of it, let's leave it there for now. It's just a really good big window that tells you, hey, let's click this link and let's go here. So as a business owner, just make sure that the links that you have in your Instagram bio are where you want them to, where you want people to go. If you've got a promotion going on, that should be the top link. If you've got a masterclass, for example, that should be the top link, and so on and so on. My name's Anita Wong. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like and the subscribe button, and of course share it with somebody who you think might benefit from it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.